Guys. Hello guys. I am this is Tornado Fan 1 and today we're gonna play escape keyboard something. I don't know. Right now I'm pretty fast. Holy, I'm lagging. Sorry guys for the lag. I will make like 75 plus, but I used to make more than just that. Ignore the background. Can I just wait? No! Oh, frick my leg. This is not my first time playing this. I've actually played this like I played this game for an hour on my PlayStation. The reason why I'm on my PlayStation is because my sister. Middle Quest. Middle Quest not link. Visit Middle Quest to connect your Roblox account. You know that was on purpose. You know that, guys. But I'm gonna just zoom. 3 wins. I can code. What if I just... What? How have I done so many attempts? I've never done any attempts on doing this. I'm not a pro, so I don't know like those live streamers who play this game. You know what I mean, but like, bro, yo, my lag is insane right now. Yo, this might be all for the video. I mean, like, I'll make like 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Sorry guys, I'm got bad temper. You know. How do I reset? But like, how do I reset? But like, I would already win. Doesn't make sense. Okay, guys, not the end of the video. I'm not supposed to end the end of the video. I know I was, but like, I changed my mind. So, we actually are gonna play. I might play something else, but like, yeah. I think I misclicked it. Oh, why do I keep doing that? This is total rage bait now. Nah, this is actually not total rage bait. There's no way I'm losing. Okay, focus. Furry right there. Everything, the tail, everything. I know she's probably another furry thing right there. You know, tail. You saw it, but if you rewind video, reverse it, you will see. Yeah, I did that. No, that actually was my accident. Yeah, I might go on fines. I might go on this game later. I might. No, never mind. What's the admin abuse right now? Where's the admin abuse? Where's the admin abuse? I'll check, but I'll check later. But okay, I think that's the rest of the video. Hope you like this. Bye.